Hello everyone and welcome back to Tubby Craft Videos. This is design team member Priyadarshini here, and today I will be showing a tutorial on how I made this birthday pull and reveal card. So before we dive into the video, remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. A really fun card to make, and it hardly takes time, and I was able to finish this card within minutes. So before I start with the tutorial, let me quickly show you how the finished card looks. So here, this is the finished card. It's a top fold card, and here I have a pull tab. So when I pull the tab, the image on top first pops up, and then another image below this one gets revealed. For this, I will be using Dino and Friends and Birthday Wishes stamp set. So let's get started with the tutorial. I have a circle die cut piece here, and I'm going to stamp this cute cupcake image, and I'm going to mask this off and stamp another image here. And I have another large circle die cut where I stamped and colored one of the dinosaurs from Dino and Friends. So these two images will be right in the front of the card. Let's get started with the mechanism here. So for this, I have a white cardstock measuring 5 inches by 1¼ inch. I'm placing it on my grid mat here, and from the left side I will just first make a mark at 1 inch, and I'm going to just draw a line, and from this line I will mark just 1/8 of an inch here, and I will just draw another line. Now I'll just turn this 90 degrees, and now make a mark at 0.5 centimeters, or the line that is just before 1/4 of an inch, and I will draw a straight line. And then using my scissors I will just cut these out. Now I'll use my ruler and an emboss tool, so I can just score this line really well, because this is going to help us with the pull mechanism. I have a piece of black cardstock measuring 3½ inches by 3½ inches, And this pattern paper measures 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches. So I'm adding them together, and then I'm flipping it over, and I'm taking this circle die cut, which is almost the same size as the dinosaur, but I just trimmed the excess out. So I'm placing it here, and I'm using my pencil, I'm just making 2 marks. And now I'll be bringing my ruler back in, and I'm going to mark 7/8 of an inch on both the sides, and using a paper cutter knife I'm just going to make a slit. After marking them, I'm just going to bring in back the cardstock where I did the mechanism to just see if it is perfect, and it will just slide in. And now I will be using my paper cutter and my scale to make a slit. So I did have a little trouble here because there are 2 layers that I have to cut through. So after I've made the slit, I'm just trying to slide this inside, and you can see that I have a little bit of trouble, so I will be cutting it again, and then you will see how smoothly this part, the mechanism part, just slides into the slit. So first I'm taking the larger side, I'm slitting it over here, and here you can see how beautifully they move inside, and when I pull you can see how the mechanism works. So on the back, that coat part will help this mechanism not to come out, and it will just hold the front part of the card firmly. Now I'm just going to add the first, the that is the largest die cut here. If you don't have a circle piece, you can also use a square shape here. It's not necessary just to use a circle. This is a top fold note card, and I'm using a black cardstock here, and this pattern paper from the DIY kit. I'm just adding it here. And now to pop this out, I will be adding foam adhesive, because uh, the skirt part should not just get swooshed between here, so it needs a little bit of dimension. So you can either add 1 layer or 2 layers depending on the thickness of your foam adhesive. I'm not going too close to it, I'm just going a little close. And then I will be stamping the sentiment, and my card is done. Hope you all enjoyed this video tutorial and do give it a try. And if you really liked it, leave a comment below, like this video, and do share the video as well. So I'll see you guys soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.